Ka jingmi shakmat jongkaway ka seng bhalang ka Federation of Khasi Jaintia and Garo People FKJGP ban persya ya ka jingthmu ka Sorkar jala ban ai bujili da ka jaka ha Upper Shillong ka badai jong ka tanat veterinary na ka banta ban tay ya ka Petrol Pump ka ba ka jinghe ka jaka ka long khalai hajar square foot kalapun long ya ka Sorkar ban jubab da ka ba kranshai ba kim dai ban skotho bakla ya ka jingthmu ka ba bha jongka na ka banta ban pensok yo paj ba ha ka lek ka wan Halor kini gijing persya jong kaseng FKJGP usembut menteri rangba ka jala uba prestun tensong haba kran sikilat pathai kubor ulaong ka jingdon ka Petrol Pump ha Anjali kala ban kata ka jingthmu ka Sorkar ban tei ya jing tei ki bathamai ha kalyang ka surok kumta ka Sorkar kala karpat yaki bakin ken ria batkan ai kumba khatlai ja square foot ka jaka ka ba 4 don jingduhnong e ya ka Sorkar na ka jaka ka ba don ka jinghe ka balong hadu henriu pho ekar
Then even from the government side, central government, we take land acquisition from the private. So what is the harm? Whether government land or private land, I think that issue does not arise. And number two, more importantly, we need to understand Shillong is the capital of Meghalaya, and that portion, if 5,000 or 4,000 square feet of that plot can serve the entire state of Meghalaya. Where is the pain of 13,000 square feet replacing that very important area outside the Shillong city and especially outside the proposed flyover to be constructed by NSIDCL? What I have to say is this. I think be it NGO, be it anybody, leave it to the wisdom of the government. Number one, don't you think that the Petrol Pump Anjali is more important than anything else? And we have seen, and people suffered a lot with the entire stretch of Umshirpi up to 7 Mile, up to Banyon side, where it takes from 7 Mile to Shillong to reach 2 hours, 2.5 hours, 3 hours. So in fact the government has taken a very, very judicious decision and with due diligence requesting even this petrol pump owner that please shift it, because the flyover, the landing of flyover will be somewhere that side only, and if you don't get that portion of this petrol pump, it's very difficult for the alignment and the construction of the flyover in that particular area. So therefore, ultimately, government has decided, okay, we will identify about 12 or 13,000 square feet of land where they can set up this shifted petrol pump towards Upper Shillong side. And we are so lucky because we have enough space of land from veterinary department, not less than 60 acres of land, and 13,000 square feet. In fact, it's nothing.
Take the first step towards a healthier future by scheduling your consultation at the Shillong Heart Clinic located at Nongrim Hills, Shillong. Call or leave a message at 98630-50899 to book your appointment with Dr. Sunrang Bhattian Wadri, an interventional cardiologist. The clinic operates from Monday to Saturday with working hours from 11 a.m. to 6 p.m.